Hey everybody, I'm so excited because you guys, come on. Hey everybody, I'm so excited because I found my dream tractor online and I bought it. This is a John Deere mini skid steer. They're hard to find and I found this one for a pretty good deal. And it only took me a couple of days to break it. So today we're going to figure out what happened and fix it. So it's finally driving, getting used to driving the mini skid steer, and the wheel fell off. So I got it jacked up. All right, well, there's your problem. What happened is the wheel must have been loose and it wore out these lug holes, and the lugs actually pulled right through. So I've only had this thing for a couple of days and probably only driven around my yard 2 times, maybe 3 times. I don't know if that's enough to wear these holes out, so I'm a little suspicious this was loose and starting to wear already, but no problem. We're just gonna go ahead and fix it. What I'm gonna do is see that? I'm gonna grind this down a little bit and then weld up these holes using a pattern, and then we will re-drill any holes we have to, and that I think should be enough. Okay, so we got the rim holes welded up. We're gonna go ahead and grind these down a little bit and clearance drill all the holes again. See if it works. Okay, we've got our bolt holes drilled out. Now we just need to put a little bit of a chamfer to match the bolt head. So we're going to clean up the surface with this, and that'll give us a little bit of a taper to match the taper on the stud. Okay, as you can see, we get the holes closed up, and we got a little bit of a chamfer tapered surface here for the bolt to rest. I think that's pretty good. Fixed holes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Right, we did it. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not already. Check out some of these other cool videos in this playlist, and I'll catch you guys next time.